Hello guys, aha ye Nyantachi TV. Ya fatu ya wonse ebrebia no ya the updates from Asante Kotoko ebebrel na we so behind the scenes after so makwako ako winning the Toyota Cup South Africa Durban na womone omafefo a ye from Kaiser Chiefs edisi ani akoroko winning by 3-2 on penalties na yewie Kotoko na aje cup na omode eba o man Ghana enunti no video a wo hwe behind the scenes there is here the euphoria, the celebration just enye easy kra na first half no so wa onya kwanya hwe ball ni bi no hu se Kotoko ball papa me kra na me feel say you can't say pre-season no Kaiser Chiefs enya the opportunity to travel to Europe no na me feel so mo be boy pa but boy Kotoko boy no e ma hu say boys no so omuni ball bo na normal kitinkiti bi na me feel say second half no so as na enkoye a man no so omonso eba very strong into the game. Kaiser Chiefs no they were very strong after some few substitutions. Second half of the minty almost nya chances be brave. Almost say no omonya penalty almost say no hit post na ba no crampo back one also now say clearly I feel that luck was actually eluding them. Luck was not on their side because said the penalty no otimi to keeper no to baby pro ball no fan chain no me who say something is going to work and eventually Kotoko emerge victorious. Na penalty kick and also Kamara to me is the man of the match. He did so well. Oya dear papa to me sevu about 3 or you make it 3 saves as a 4 crowd. Emma omonso anti me anya day anshe Emma last one also ochino and I Kotoko be boy yeah 3-2. Na adeɛ baako a me observe ye na say na awowo mu ankasa enti me hu say ase se bibi omokɔ tackle na say ye de ho ka omo kakra bia because na awo ni bom nti na omo feel pain no na omo feel pain pa na enye easy but ni nyina mu no boys no gina mu because o ma hye Asante Kotoko gisi no ti no mo bo e de ahye Ghana fo na wo ho ani monyam ene wo man so Africa no mo beko no na wo mu nim se so mutimi yire wo ho a betimi aboa yen e wo yen Africa campaign na yen because so signing players eba team mu na wo ye very sure especially coach no baby obefa team no team do mo winning FA Cup do mo winning President's Cup na ye kwakobo Toyota Cup Durban Moses Mabida Stadium na usha na to say wo ko lose sa match na say ni answer one top papa we crampo no new guys na chire ya be pon no and our DB bebem but I think the midfield partnership between Sekweju and Lord Adabono they did so well but na mistakes in ketinketi be na pitch no na nye pitch no because natural grass we are after World Cup no one said that you should answer so eti aha crampo nye baby a friend say you home Kaiser Chiefs home omo they are based in Johannesburg and your friend is saying omo the match no eba Durban omo ba be boy anti stadium na sonti anya masa me feel say anka omo ball no wo omo kro mo wa bi anka ebeyama but in all they did so well anti players na did so omo koje omo medals no in fact omo ball pa na echi kwampo kunso asase na we try and am so mo treat no ma osan bam e ma na actually who is still na any year substitution the new guys be by Saka Dauda Bambe yi this small boy Amidu now no say no one said them who so and akwa mpukurusu because na ne nine no in the yaninti no coach ni afioma abetamu a eba be ball as a lone striker and or this Rastaman me said that and kind dino and or the bem no de your friend is saying Saka Dauda so bem, but defenders na ya dear papa ansu ne samba unel na even keeper no and so in fact just almost obia they did so omoya there Emmanuel M22 was good, but sometimes or tackle ni bia na watiato and me feel say one nanka pitch na ye de ball no koye ye fan senka bebia ye can say enka ye nanka pitch na park na daswa ebianka betimi ama ball control ne ball no akoye but well yenya sa enso ni nyina mu we give thanks to God and the players na omaje cup na omani agia ya crown Asante Kotoko as the winners of the Toyota Cup all the way in Durban, South Africa. And ni nyina mu no ye better team na the coach on the technical team they've done so well na napenkra waya de papa onhene awaja sabiu ne ma ho na konwa ho do na nadi team mas IMC panyin di team na chia ene omo ohwe obi to say the team's manager, the physio, the club administrator, some of these men omo nyina he must from Pomo as Mr. Samso, Mr. Samme so say omo nyina ya de papa and some of these new guys and so omo so enyante see big stage, a bigger stage say no more Africa no omo so nimse ebeka krebe mo so opportunity but mo hwe Kaiser Chiefs for no na omugina ho mo bo mo nsem Asante Kotoko ba me hu ni se South Africa for ade o maya magane o maya de papa I don't know me kra me dwen wa menti ase to call a team like Asante Kotoko sponsor their trip to your hometown, give them the best of treatment, give them a nice 5-star hotel. I mean you say even cry some of these sports presenters crampuno baby no modano omo ko entertain omo the artists ko just say omo feeding everything Uban so awaji trophy o man sa pan kwa entina me hu ni say a team like Kaiser Chiefs o my idea but omo so omo team no enye bad because omo yam crank ni assign omo nti omo so playing with a team like Asante Kotoko no be mo omo so hu say yes omo they up there omo so ho no nti omo so hia no ma ba ko mienu miense because okoba Africa na nka Kotoko ba ukrum na Kotoko no be ball draw anka Kotoko the 1 point eko so the jama dey we no Kotoko war upper hand because se uti home na wa anyere ho na se team be free ni fie ba ene wo ba bebo na wonya 1 point no de wo ba no do gina wie nim e wa crash positive na even baba yara e bia won so because e bia weather no free winter mo na ba bia no want to me enti me so me feel say almost so technical team no so be kwa hwebe bia almost so lacking no ma bi no na ye ne coach ne kasa na coach ne kasa no or information not the buy because na one boys no abre no manya enough rest na acclimatization so we omo kakra because of weather no na easy no ono so map up strategy say he will not on say na attack omo bebre but ono no bebo obe stay back no mabo said e be ya omo eye mistake na ono so utilize na ko dey punish omo but the Jimmy who say na wings no passes na enko you know minim say na pitch na park no so chain I don't know but I feel say bia say park na the kese so eche baba yara na say crash ball stadium but as omo bobo na no ma intercept but it's good you know going for Africa there BBN who big make say enye the coach no strategy no e working and he was very happy so no e na say one shot one omo shama e be draw and eventually what he also plan or anticipate is obenyana indeed wenya enti ye mo team ni nyina baso bibia ya de supporters are move you dem pie bota team na chi no mo nyina ma ya de Asante Kotoko sporting media and Asante Kotoko SC media mo YouTube in fact my idea pa montina motimi ma yenya videos na ye de ye program nyamisha mo se mo so dan de nyina mo koye na mo man images e ma ye de hwem ti hwe players no bia be short trophy ni ma na nani age no de twamfo nyini ye nyina ye ni age in empire near boss Yankopon and mom home by non for free all the way in Durban, Emra Joburg, from Joburg to Accra back to Kumasi. I know it will be a very long trip, stressful trip, long journey. They will be very weary, but in the mono, you see when you may a bomb mobile no do maba. In team patch or high Nyantechi TV. Keep supporting, keep watching, keep subscribing, keep sharing. Na a comment, na a share, na yanso you're motivated to bring you a lot of information about the team called Asante Kotoko. We mfunyina mucha so many aja ma nye easy enti Kaiser Chiefs once yadamase. We thank you so much for your hospitality and everything that you've done for Asante Kotoko. We pray that you guys will continue and you sometime you invite us again to come. Thank you so much for watching Nyantechi TV. God richly bless you. Keep supporting Asante Kotoko. Stay blessed and bye-bye.